Hey, what is up you guys, and welcome to my apartment tour. I have been putting this off for so long just because I always thought, there's one thing I can add here or there's something I can change here. But I realized that's never gonna end. My apartment is constantly changing. It is 1,000 times different than when I thought it was done in March. So I figured I'm just gonna bite the bullet. I am happy with where it is right now. It is decorated a little bit for fall because it is September. So if you're watching this in the following months and there's pumpkins everywhere, I'm sorry. I think a good place to start is in my entryway here. So this is my front door. This is where I come in. I think something that everybody needs in their apartment is like a little side table right by their front door where you throw your keys and all my spare change, and I have all my perfumes for whenever I'm going out. And then this here is like my front closet. I'm not gonna show you all of it because this is like my junk drawer of my house. I just kind of throw miscellaneous shit in here, like my vacuum and stuff that I don't want out. And then right next to the entryway here is my little dining room. It's my makeshift dining room. This is kind of a very open floor plan in the beginning of the apartment, so I separated it using the L shape of my couch to make this kind of my little dining area. How much it is actually used will stay between you and me. Most of the times I just throw like old boxes and stuff that needs to go down to the garbage on my chairs. So do I really ever sit there? No. And then this is my little kitchen. It is just a alleyway kitchen. I'm not gonna go into detail here either just because, like, why do you care about my kitchen? One thing I am gonna brag about is how cute all my like stuff is, because growing up, I had a lot of mismatched cups and plates and bowls, but I said whenever I grow up I want to make it all match. So I found these actually at Goodwill, and that's where most of my stuff in here is from. I thrifted a lot of it. All of my furniture is from Facebook Marketplace. There's like 2 things in this entire apartment that I actually bought new. So definitely when you're first apartment shopping, like, look online. Look by the dumpsters in your apartment complex and you might find a cool bookshelf. So then opening up from my kitchen and dining room is my little living room. I've had this couch for so long. It has been on so many different moves for me. Whenever I was moving around a lot last year and trying to find a place to live, I made it my own. I initially wanted to get rid of it and find a new couch. I wanted something colorful, like maybe like a turquoise couch or like a teal couch. But then I decorated it with the pillows, and I think that it made it a little more fun than gray. Like, if you look around, nothing in my apartment is gray. And then right off of my couch is my little patio here. I have been searching so long for a good patio set, and then I ended up just improvising on the whole thing. I got a chair that was like a big egg chair that I wanted from the jump. I wanted a hanging one, but I will settle for one with legs. And then I found a turquoise patio set on Facebook Marketplace for $90. I'm so proud of my little patio space. I just sit outside and have my waffles in the morning all by myself, or I will only read a book if I'm sitting outside. So most of the time I'm just sitting in that chair reading a book. And then going right off the living room here, we go down the hallway. So the first door on the left here is my like main bathroom with the shower and everything. I kind of knew exactly what I wanted to do with this as soon as I moved in. This bathroom has been done for a very long time. But yeah, this is the bathroom that I use the most, so I'm sorry for the lack of decor in my other bathroom. And then right past the bathroom, we go down the hall, and on the right is my office. So this is where the magic happens, people. Right here in the corner is where I do most of my editing, I do my makeup. Thankfully, I am going to be getting rid of my big Mac desktop, so that's gonna be a majority makeup area there. I am investing in a new computer for editing, which I'm like super excited about. And then also I have a little theme going on in here of all of my white potted plants go in here. It's like their little area. And then I found this awesome orange couch on Facebook Marketplace for $90 again. Like, please. It's also a fold out, so whenever I have family or friends come visit, they can sleep on this couch. It is one of my best finds ever. I do at some point want to put a table in the middle if I start doing podcasts, and then that would be like my little podcast area. And then this is supposed to be a bedroom, so there is a huge closet in here that I just keep like my extra decor or all of my extra sheets and blankets and etc, etc. That's also a little junk drawer in my apartment here, I won't lie. And then right next to my office is my bedroom. So I'll be honest, the amount of time that I spend in here is slim to none. Half the time I don't even sleep in here, I just sleep on my couch. But I do have a little bathroom just right off of my bedroom here, which is really nice. Like if I have company over, they can use that bathroom and I use this one in my room. Or if I have to get up and pee in the middle of the night, it's really nice. I don't have to like walk down my scary dark hallway in the middle of the night. But yeah, it is definitely a decent sized bedroom. Compared to the office, I couldn't see having a roommate and them living in that small of a bedroom. Like I feel like my queen size bed would take up that entire room. So I can't imagine if somebody had an even bigger bed, you would have no room for a dresser, you'd have no room for anything. But I am so proud of what I've done with this wall. I actually did this as soon as I moved in. There's this girl that I follow on TikTok who had her wall like this, and I was like, that is a must whenever I get my own apartment. And then right off of my really cool wall, I have my witch's altar where I keep all my crystals and my book on all my notes and what each thing means. So I try not to clutter that ever. I like don't put anything on there, and I think that making that my altar has definitely kept me from just throwing clothes on top of my dresser and not putting them away. And then also my closet. I've never had this big of a closet in my entire life. I was always selling clothes to make room for stuff inside my closet, but now I have so much space for activities. I don't think that this space is done. My bedroom has a lot of work. I plan on getting a new comforter and decorating a little bit more in here. I feel like it's a little bare in this room. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with what I got. That is my apartment tour. Thank you so much for watching. I have worked so hard to get to where I'm at. I've lived in some sketchy ass places. It was really hard being 18 years old and moving out and getting my own place. And no, it's not super fancy and it's not a brand new build in a really nice part of town. It is what it is, and I'm happy with what I have. I think that any teenager's first apartment should be a little rough. It shouldn't be perfect, because that's how you learn. I always say it is what you make it. You know, this place is pretty rough. I make it nice. I make it what I want it to be, and that's my outlook on life, is it is what you make it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, for more videos.